I'm making a video today to talk about how I fixed one of the biggest issues with my topper camping setup. I've seen this talked about a lot online, and I've heard a lot of different opinions on ways to fix leaks. So last night we had a pretty heavy rain and it's entirely dry inside of my topper. Originally though, I've had a lot of issues with keeping it dry in there. And I've been camping at times and had water get in. So the main leak points I'll first touch on here is where my topper meets the bed at this corner on both sides. And when they install a topper, or when you do it yourself, you put a gasket seal there. But a lot of times there's still a gap that water can leak in through. So, let me just show you the inside. So these points are the top, or right in the center of the screen right there. And on the right side, there's another one there. That's where I'd have a lot of leaking. What I ended up doing to fix this was just buying some of this silicone. It's General Electric from Menards. It's just a clear silicone sealant. And the reason I did not want to inject it on the inside of the topper here is there's a bar, support bar that runs the entire length of the top of the bed. And that support bar up there is hollow and can fill with water from the outside. That bar then drained into the topper. That's where I was having some of my issues. The way I fixed it is by adding silicone onto the outside of the truck to stop the water incursion. It was quite simple. My solution doesn't look the prettiest, but I'll give you a shot here. And essentially using the silicone tube and using some type of stick to smear the sealant in between the gasket and the truck bed. So let me give you a shot. It's definitely not the prettiest work, but you can see where I have added silicone in there to completely seal up my topper from leaking. It was quite easy, and it was about $10, and was able to entirely fix the issue I was having.